Welcome. Much of my animation work is reconstructing traffic collisions. I need detailed models of specific vehicles, and 3dmodels.org is my preferred supplier. The models are detailed, accurate, and the topology is flawless. The selection is huge, and they create custom vehicles quickly and at a great price. Because I use them so much, I've built my workflow for texturing, rigging, and deforming 3DM vehicles, so I can get to animating them as quickly as possible. In the next 3 videos, I'll show you how to optimize a 3DM car in 3ds Max, UV unwrap it with Unwrella, add materials in Substance Painter, then set up for rendering with VRay. To be clear, 3DM are not sponsoring this video, but they have provided a free model for you to use in following the lesson. For links to it, a PDF guide, the scripts, presets, and templates we use, see the description. When purchasing from 3DM, request the unsmooth version of the model, so you can adjust the smoothing to your animation needs. For a car, I like to keep the polygon count under 400K. Open the file, select and ungroup. In the Layer Manager, rename the layer with geometry to Body Mesh. This is with a view to the animation rig, which I will cover in a future video. Open the viewport configuration, and under Statistics, set the polygon and vertex counts to Total plus Selection. Select each object in turn. Adjust the Turbo Smooth iterations to 1 for larger objects, and remove it altogether for small things like light bulbs or stuff that won't get near the camera. Hide each object when done. There's a script to change smoothing levels globally, but this process only takes a few minutes and helps build familiarity with the model. That helps with both texturing and animating. When you've done them all, unhide everything again. Now select an object from the model and convert it to an editable poly. Select Attach, Attach from List, and then select all other objects. Choose both Attach Material IDs to Material and Condense Materials and IDs. Open the Material Editor and pick Material from Object. Click on the car. In the Material Editor, a single multi-sub-object material lists all of the material IDs. Now we'll split the model up again. 1 object per material. With the car model selected, type the number 5 or click to enter element sub-object level. Scroll down to Polygon Material IDs, type the number 1 next to Select ID, then click the button. In the ribbon, select Attach and assign the material name to the new object. Repeat these steps for each material ID until everything has been detached. Note that shortening longer material names like rim_second makes them easier to see and work with both in 3ds Max and in Substance Painter. With everything detached, exit sub-object level and delete the now empty object. With the Substance Painter workflow and physically based materials in general, it helps to keep track of texture sizes. Select Scripting, Run Script, and open Export Object List.ms. Save to a CSV file. Then open that file in a spreadsheet. Set texture sizes for each material. Use Unwrella to quickly UV unwrap each object in the scene. Available from unwrella.com, this plugin is easily worth the cost and saves countless hours. Select an object and apply the Unwrella modifier. Choose Hard Surface Models, set the texture size to 4K, and toggle the High Quality setting. Now right-click and copy the Unwrella modifier to the clipboard. Click Unwrap. Check the Unwrap preview and ensure that most of the texture area is employed. With 3DM models, the topology is excellent, so this shouldn't be a problem. Collapse the object back to editable poly to bake the UVs. Hide the object when done to keep track of progress. Repeat these steps for each of the remaining objects, pasting the copied modifier with the settings dialed in. There's a script to do this globally, but I like to check the unwrap solution each time, just in case. The geometry is now optimized and ready for export to Substance Painter. Unhide all and select File, Export, Export. Save to FBX using the Autodesk Media and Entertainment preset.